If you love lake life that is not far from downtown Dallas, man, this is the listing for you. This is a beautiful home on a wooded lot on over an acre and a half, 4 bedrooms, 4 baths. Guys, it has a media room. It's got, wait, check this out. This is in Lake Kiowa. It's got a golf cart community. And there's even, you see the 2 car garages over here, or right over here, there's a golf cart garage. And yeah, you see this wooded lot right here? That's a creek right there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, wait, check it out. Check it out. Oh, on the other side, also another creek right there. How cool is that? You're surrounded by a creek. So if you got kids that want to go explore, you want a lake home where you come relax and enjoy nature. Oh, and there's a beautiful lake right over here. There's a ton of amenities like tennis, pickleball, my favorite. And then you have a beautiful community that gets together, hangs out with lots of activities. Guys, this is the perfect home if you're looking for a second home, or you just want to escape the city life, but still not be that far from the city life, because Dallas is less than an hour and a half away. Anyways, call me or text me if you want to see more of this beautiful home. We'll see ya.